how to log in to Chegg account. So if you want to log into Chegg account, then first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then search for Chegg. Once you've searched, here you will have www.chegg.com. Click on that, and here you will have sign in option on the upper right. Click on sign in, and once you click on sign in, it will take you to the sign in page. So here on the first blank, you need to enter your email address. And once you've entered your email address, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But you can also log in with your Apple ID or Facebook or Google. Or if you don't have an account, go for sign up, which is here to create your account. Or if you already have an account, then simply go for sign in, enter your information, and then click on sign in. But if you don't remember your password, go for forgot password to reset or recover your password. But if you remember, simply enter your password and click on sign in, and you'll be signed into your account if your information is correct. Once you click on sign in, it will take you to Chegg. So that's it. That's how you can sign into your account on Chegg. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.